Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can download and install the Google Chrome browser into your Windows. So Google Chrome is the mostly used or widely used browser in today's time. It has a lot of features that most users are enjoying. So let's go quick into the process on how we can install the Google Chrome into our Windows. So we need to open the Microsoft Edge browser, which is the default browser of our Windows. Type here Edge, click on it. Maximize this. In the search bar, type Chrome, download, hit enter. Now, simply scroll down and you'll find this option, www.google.com. Usually, the official website for Google Chrome will appear as the first option. So you do not have to click any other options or results, rather from or aside from www.google.com. Click on it. Then you'll find this button, Download Chrome, for Windows 11 and Windows 10, which is a 64-bit. Click on this Download Chrome. The installer file will be downloaded. So wait for this. And once done, double click. And then close the Microsoft Edge browser. Now you need to make sure that you are connected to the internet. And let's just wait for this to download Chrome. Now this is installing the application. So that's it. We have just installed the Google Chrome browser into our Windows. Just click on sign in and just enter your email right here. So I'm just going to input mine. Click on next. I'm just going to type my password. Click on next. Then here, just simply click on no thanks and scroll down and click on got it. So that's it. We can now enjoy browsing in our Google Chrome browser by searching for our favorite info, watching YouTube in Google Chrome. So that's it. That's how you can easily download and install Google Chrome into your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.